So what is the specific issue? So that means may issue kaya na-create yung law. It doesn't create any specific legal rights or obligations, but it serves as a guiding principle for interpreting and implementing the rest of the law. It explains why, the why. That means the purpose, the why, no, behind the law, and the reasons the government created it and why it hopes, what it hopes to achieve. In the case of Republic Act 12021, the declaration of policy shows the Philippine government's commitment to protecting Filipino seafarers and ensuring fair treatment. Always inuulit yung ano, no, yung ensuring fair treatment, no. So how about you guys, yung mga nakikinig na mga seafarers, no, kababayan nating seaman? So is there like unfair treatment para sa mga Filipino na seafarers? So I don't know if there is. Maybe there is, right? Kasi hindi naman gagawin yung batas na to kung walang problema, di ba? It sets the overall tone and direction for the rest of the legislation, indicating that the following chapters should be interpreted and enforced in a way that achieves the stated goals. Okay? So, etong chapter 1 is just the purpose, the why.